Hi everyone, Crystals by Diane here. I wanted to show you, I made new grab bags, crystal grab bags. And this is some of the things that I put in them. This one has a tower, a crystal chakra money tree, a large mushroom, some little stones, cubes, a large stone, all kinds of goodies. These here have some tarot cards in them, towers, mushrooms, raw stones, this one has a group with amethyst crystals in the top, an amethyst spoon, hearts, bunch of other stones, worry stones, a sphere, comes with a sphere stand, tower, this one here, good morning, this one here has a gnome, a sphere, a crystal spoon, a heart, a stand for the sphere. This one here has a bunch of stones in it, a large sphere, sphere stand, worry stone, pendulum. All of my grab bags have everything crystals in them. No more jewelry. You're going to love my grab bags. You can come see me at the market to buy them at the market, or you can go to my website to buy them on my website, crystalsbydiane.com. Have a great day. Bye.